What's going on, everybody? Welcome to the channel. Another beautiful day. I think we're finally getting into that time of year where we're going to have more and more and more. So, the other day, we start by saying this. We got a little antsy the other day. We started tearing into things. We got these traction bars back on, which I'll show you a clip of that right here of the color in the sunlight. But this color is such a cool color. With the alien silver base and the, I think it's illusion lollipop or lollipop something, right? That is a super cool color. So we got those on the other day. Not really exciting. I think we've showed you that a few times putting those on. There's really no preload on these, so it's just a put them up there, pin them in, tighten the jam nuts, and you're good to go. So another thing I've gotten done today was I got this thing cleaned up. You can see that purple poking through today. It's actually looking really good today. Got that cleaned up. Actually met up with a friend of mine, took some pictures this morning. Got that going on. But the real exciting thing today is that Don's coming over and he's finally going to ceramic coat these wheels. And if we're lucky, we might be able to talk him into putting them on. We are waiting for spiked lug nuts to show up. It's taking a minute. That's the only hang up on getting those on, but I think we'll just put them on, put these lug nuts on, at least 4, so it's setting on them, and then when the spiked lug nuts show up, we just slam them on there. But we'll see. We'll see what happens when he shows up. Let's see, what other updates while I'm waiting for Don to show up. One big update is we're getting close on this thing. If you guys didn't know, what we have going on is very soon we're going to start ripping the transmission out of that. We're going to strap it down on a pallet and send it over to the guys over at Superstick in Texas. Cody said he'd take really good care of it, and I trust him. He does build the best G56 in the country, I think. Actually, I know. Take me to the grave on that one. So we've got that. We have a really cool clutch coming for it. So we got that. Just general projects. We have a few things we can do to this truck while it's down, and it'll be actually really good. So that's an update. Once Don shows up, we will get started on getting those wheels ceramic coated. And I really want to see him on this truck. I would wash the truck right now because I am that bored. But I'm not going to because black. Washing black in the sunlight, horrible idea. Oh, let me tell you this. Any of you guys out there that are welders, TIG welders, anything, I have been breaking myself in lately on TIG welding. I got a fresh bottle argon, 100% argon. This is just a scratch start torch. I've kind of poked at it a little bit. Got a welder a while ago. MIG TIG stick combination machine. I really want to learn TIG, so I've been kind of playing with it, practicing with it, using what's this, SF 2078 whatever, filler rod, 1.5 lanthanated tungstens, playing with it. It's going to take a long time. I'm trying to break myself in, and that's what I'll be doing while Don's doing his wheels. But man, oh man, if you guys have any tips on how I can make this more efficient, I think it's mostly just going to be muscle memory, but these are ugly, let me tell you. But that's alright, because we all start somewhere. So that's what I'm going to be doing while he's working on his wheels. I should be working on cleaning them up around here, but that's not near as fun. So when Don shows up, I'll bring you guys back in and we will get started on our day. wheels are ceramic coated. They're all ready to go on. And we did talk Dawn into putting them on. So we are going to start getting them on there. We got two of them on. We got this side on, right? We're looking at this. Looking at the offset of this one, if you can see it, compared to the offset of this. It's a big change. It's a huge change. The front's going to need a little bit of trimming. We're going to get into that in a different video. Because right now, I think we're going to call it even. We're going to spin the truck around, get the other two on, and just kind of look at it for a minute. Why not? That's what we're supposed to do, right? So, I'm going to let you guys go with that one. Let me know what you guys think of these, because I think they're going to look really good once the truck's cleaned and buffed out. That's going to be another project. So, anyway. Keep up, right? So, red bars, nice wheels. It's really coming together. We're going to have to still need to put the front bumper cover on. We need to, what else? Oh, he's still looking for a grill, front grill. That kind of turned into a mess. Looking for a factory chrome with the chrome inserts. Or actually, if anybody out there has just the chrome inserts, that would really help things out, because then we can get a painted shell, paintable shell, and paint it. It's going to be body color, and we want the factory chrome inserts in the middle, in the 4 quadrants. So if any of you guys have those inserts laying around, please let me know. But other than that, I think for tonight, this is where we're going to end off. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and we'll see you on the next one.